it's flooded a little bit. Well, there should be a path there, but as you can see, the river comes right up to here. There's Ziggy. This platform is underwater quite a bit too, and you can see there's a bit of flotsam and jetsam in the river. This is actually a field, not part of the river. Those are the gates that are usually closed when the road is flooded, but as you can see, they're flooded themselves. So as soon as she's fully open, it's really coming through. And that's the road. And this is the field I normally take Ziggy for a walk in.